5 foods people over 60 should eat before 10 a.m. After 60, what you eat in the morning can change the way you feel for the rest of the day. Many people wake up tired, stiff, hungry, or without energy. But sometimes the problem is not age. Sometimes the problem is that the body is not getting the right fuel early enough. Today, I'm going to share 5 foods people over 60 should eat before 10 a.m. to help support energy, strength, digestion, and a healthier routine. This is not about eating fancy food. This is not about expensive supplements. This is about simple foods that real people can use every day. And remember, this video is for education only. Always follow your doctor's advice, especially if you have diabetes, kidney disease, heart disease, food allergies, or any medical condition. Welcome to Health and Fitness University, where we help adults over 50 feel stronger, healthier, lighter, and more hopeful with simple steps they can actually follow. Food number 1, oatmeal. The first food is oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the best morning foods for people over 60 because it is simple, affordable, gentle, and filling. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning can help you feel satisfied longer because it contains fiber. Fiber is important as we age because it supports digestion, helps with regularity, and can be part of a heart-healthy eating pattern. Mayo Clinic. Health System describes oatmeal as a nutritious and inexpensive way to add whole grains to the diet. And Harvard Health also recommends whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates for a better breakfast. But here is the key. Do not turn oatmeal into dessert. Do not overload it with sugar, syrup, or sweet processed toppings. Instead, try this simple combination: oatmeal, blueberries, or strawberries, a few walnuts or almonds, a little cinnamon, and if you like, a spoon of plain Greek yogurt on top. That gives your body a better balance: whole grain, fiber, fruit, healthy fat, and protein. And for many older adults, that is a much better start than only coffee and bread. Before 10 a.m., your body is asking for fuel. Oatmeal is a calm, steady fuel. Food number 2, eggs. The second food is eggs. Now, I know eggs can be controversial for some people, so listen carefully. Not everyone needs to eat eggs every day, and some people must follow their doctor's specific advice. But for many healthy adults, eggs can be a simple source of protein in the morning. After 60, protein becomes very important because the body naturally loses muscle with age. A breakfast that includes protein can help support strength, fullness, and better daily function. The National Institute on Aging includes options like vegetable omelets and yogurt smoothies as breakfast ideas for older adults, and Harvard Health says a healthy breakfast can include protein, whole grains, and fruit. One good option is 1 or 2 eggs, spinach, tomato, onion. A small piece of whole grain toast that is much better than a breakfast full of sugar and white flour. Eggs can also be prepared in many ways: boiled, scrambled with vegetables, or as a small omelette. The secret is not to fry them in too much oil or eat them with processed meats every morning. The goal is simple. Give your body protein early in the day. Because after 60, we are not only eating to stop hunger, we are eating to protect strength. Food number 3, Greek yogurt with fruit. The third food is plain Greek yogurt with fruit. This is one of the easiest breakfasts for people who do not want to cook. Greek yogurt gives you protein. Fruit gives you fiber, vitamins, and natural sweetness. When you add nuts or seeds, you also add healthy fats and more texture. The American Heart Association recommends healthy breakfast ideas such as smoothies with fruit, low-fat or fat-free milk or yogurt, nut butters, and even vegetables. Mayo Clinic also suggests make-ahead breakfast combinations with oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, apples, and cinnamon. Try this. Plain Greek yogurt, blueberries or banana slices, chia seeds, a few almonds, cinnamon. This breakfast is quick, fresh, and easy. But be careful. Many yogurts in the supermarket are full of added sugar. Look for plain yogurt and add your own fruit. That way, you control the sweetness. This is a powerful habit because many older adults skip breakfast or eat something too light. But a simple bowl of yogurt with fruit can give the body protein, freshness, and energy without feeling heavy. Before 10 a.m., this is a smart choice. Food number 4, berries. The fourth food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small, but they are powerful. Berries are naturally sweet, colorful, and easy to add to many breakfasts. You can put them in oatmeal, yogurts, smoothies, or eat them on the side. The National Institute on Aging reminds older adults to build meals around important food groups, including fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy or fortified alternatives. Berries are a simple way to bring fruit into the morning meal. One of the reasons I like berries for people over 60 is that they feel like a treat, but they can still be part of a healthy breakfast. Instead of starting the day with cookies, sweet bread, or sugary cereal, try starting with berries. For example, oatmeal with blueberries, Greek yogurt with strawberries, a smoothie with berries and spinach, whole grain toast with nut butter and berries on the side. Small changes matter. Sometimes people think they need a perfect diet. No, you need better habits repeated every day. Berries are one of those small habits. They bring color to your plate. And when your plate has color, your body usually receives more nutrients. Food number 5, nuts and seeds. The fifth food is nuts and seeds. This includes walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Now, you do not need a lot. A small handful is enough. Nuts and seeds can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or whole grain toast with nut butter. Harvard Health lists breakfasts such as plain yogurt with fruit and nuts, oatmeal with fruit and nuts, and whole wheat or rye toast with nut butter as healthy breakfast examples. Nuts and seeds are useful because they help make breakfast more satisfying. Many people over 60 eat something small in the morning, then feel hungry 1 hour later. That is often because the meal does not have enough protein, fiber, or healthy fat. Adding chia seeds, walnuts, almonds, or peanut butter can help make the meal feel more complete. But remember, portion matters. Do not eat a whole bag of nuts, just a small amount. Try this simple morning plate. Whole grain toast, peanut butter or almond butter, banana slices, a few chia seeds, and a cup of tea or water. Simple, realistic, powerful. The real message. Now let's put everything together. Before 10 a.m., many people over 60 should focus on foods that give the body protein, fiber, slow energy, natural nutrients, and real satisfaction. That is why these 5 foods are so helpful. Oatmeal, eggs, Greek, yogurt, berries, nuts, and seeds. You do not have to eat all 5 every morning. Choose 2 or 3 and build a simple breakfast. For example, oatmeal with berries and walnuts, or eggs with vegetables and whole grain toast, or Greek yogurt with fruit and chia seeds, or a smoothie with yogurt, berries, spinach, and a spoon of nut butter. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. After 60, your body deserves attention. It deserves care. It deserves better fuel. And the morning is one of the best times to begin. Sometimes we think getting older means getting weaker, but that is not the whole truth. Getting older can also mean getting wiser. It means learning what your body needs. It means making small choices that protect your energy, your strength, your mind, and your independence. You do not need to change your whole life in one day. Start with breakfast. Start before 10 a.m. Start with one better choice. Because one better choice in the morning can become one better day. And one better day can become a better life. This is Health and Fitness University. Here, we help adults over 50 feel stronger, healthier, lighter, and more hopeful with simple steps they can actually follow. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and write in the comments, "I choose my health today." And tell me, which of these 5 foods do you already eat in the morning? Thank you for watching. Take care of your body. Take care of your mind. And remember, after 60, it is never too late to feel better.